Are you looking for a way to generate passive income with your design skills? Then selling printables or digital downloads online is the way to go. It's me again, Jet, and today we will be talking about where to sell your digital downloads or printables. So stick around till the end of this video. You don't want to miss anything. So where to sell your printables? First things first, you don't have to be an expert graphic artist to create art. As long as you have an eye for awesome designs, you can create printables. And you don't need to invest a lot of money to start this online business either. And there are tons of free resources out there and affordable e-commerce platforms to sell your creations on. So what exactly are digital printables? These are digital files that people purchase, downloaded, and can be printed endlessly for their personal use. Today, people need help organizing and planning, and they're buying printables to make these tasks easier. Depending on the item, it can be a PDF or JPEG file format. Samples of the digital prints are different types of planners and journals, calendars, trackers, logbooks, digital wall arts, coloring books, stickers, checklists, workbooks and spreadsheets, templates, wedding invites, greeting cards, ebooks, patterns, and so much more. Now to the best part, where to sell your printables. With so many online platforms, you can easily set up a shop and start making money online. Question is, do you open your own shop or sell on another platform? No reason why you should not sell on multiple platforms. If you want to get your digital files out there and earn a real living, then you could have a store on multiple platforms if you can manage it. My advice is to stick to one platform to start. When you sell on another platform that is not your own, there's a benefit of reaching their large audience. They, of course, will charge you with some fees so they can make money and are likely to take a commission from each transaction too. So you have to research on each marketplace that you want to sell your prints on. When you sell on your own site, you have to grow your audience on your own, but you get to keep all the profits. Yay! So where to sell? I have serious options for you to consider, from free with some tech know-how or to paid but with full customer support. And there are options for every budget and tech savvies. So first is the Facebook groups. Probably the quickest way to start selling printables is to create them for other bloggers. And the fastest way to do this is to join Facebook groups where they sell content. Why is this the fastest? Well, this means you already have an audience and the group is already full of people who are ready to buy. And if you are selling planners or journals, join the planner groups. There are tons out there. Next would be the Etsy site. Sites like this is a lot of competition, but if you are wise and savvy with your keywords and pricing, you should be okay. And as a seller, you will have to pay a listing fee, transaction fee, payment processing fee for each item you sell. So please take this into account when you're pricing your items. The benefits of selling on a marketplace like Etsy is, first, a trickle of traffic from the deluges of traffic the marketplace site gets each day. And second, you don't need to purchase website hosting or a website builder. Most marketplaces let you build a storefront for free. And third, technical issues are handled by the marketplace. Next is teachers pay teachers. This is a marketplace where teachers buy and sell original educational materials. You can create an account for free, and this means you can set up your account and get started right away. Familiarize yourself with the platform. They do have a small transaction fee of each product sold, and you'll get about 55% of your sales if you sell anything well on the basic account. You can upgrade to premium anytime and get more sales percentage and much smaller transaction fee. And you don't have to be a teacher to sell here either. Next would be Creative Market. You can sell fonts here, themes, photos, graphics, templates, add-ons, and a lot more. Next up is your blog or shop. When you have your own site, you can do all this for a lower cost, but you will be responsible for setting up everything, all the technical aspects of your site, and then troubleshooting any tech issues, plus paying for your own hosting. Of course, you can outsource this too. The good thing with having your own site is you get to keep all the profits. But just what can a standalone business website offer you that a marketplace page can't? Among many other things, the perks of selling from your own sites include you can direct visitors to specific sections or products on your website instead of the marketplace guiding them to similar products from competitors. You can also customize your website so it's both memorable and reflects your brand's color, style, personality. And you can also sell unlimited products. Next is Shopify. It's not going to be hosted in your own website, but you can choose your own custom domain like yournameshop.com or shopyourname.com. You can then link to the shop from the website. There's a 14-day free trial to get your store set up, and they offer different plans, but the basic is fine as you get started. The basic Shopify account is about $29 a month, and this will get you going, and they offer customer service as well if you have tech issues, so it's a win-win. Podia. Podia allows creators to sell unlimited digital downloads, including printables, membership plans, and online courses. It comes with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder, so no techie skills required, and lets you create customized storefronts without the hassle of juggling tools. Podia's storefront comes with a landing sales page builder, email marketing tool, and best of all, no transaction fees. Next would be the KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, which is owned by Amazon. If you're doing planners, journals, notebooks, coloring books, ebooks, this is one of the places you need to get your hands into. Amazon has a massive audience already, and of course you need to do your keyword research to get your notebooks seen. And please do not create something nobody's going to even search. If you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial on this one, let me know in the comments below. Other sites also would be Lulu and Blurb for your ebooks, planners, and journals. So this is it for now. I'll see you in the next video. So, are you ready to start selling printables? Let me know in the comments below which platforms you're starting with or where you've had success. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell also for more knowledge-based videos like this. See ya!